How to change date of birth on Discord account. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you to how to change date of birth on Discord account. Well, Discord is a free communication app that lets you share voice, video and text chat with friends, game communities and developers. Now if you're wondering how to change your date of birth on Discord account, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change your birth date on Discord account, go ahead and tap on Discord application first. After you tap on Discord application, you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone. Now go ahead and tap on the logo of your profile, which is in the bottom right corner. Now scroll all the way down and search for support. Now you can find support here. Go ahead and click on support. Now you will enter a browser page and then you have to click this 3 line which is just beside sign in. So go ahead and click on that 3 line. Now you will get 3 different options, that is feedback, English, submit a request. So go ahead and click on the third option, that is submit a request. Now go ahead and tap on this small triangle below, how can we help you with. So go ahead and tap on there. Now you can see several options. Go ahead and tap on appeals and age update request. Now you will enter this page where it will ask you to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address. Another box asks you about how can we help you. So go ahead and tap on the small triangle on there. You will get several options. Now tap on the second one, that is update my age information. Now you can tap on your phone number, which is optional, so I am not going to tap on it. If you want it, you can tap on your phone number too. Now it finally asks you about your date of birth, so go ahead and tap on the date of birth you want to change your birthday into. Now if you scroll, you can see a box written subject, so go ahead and fill the box of subject. Now if you scroll below, you will get a box of description, so go ahead and tap on the box of description and describe why do you want to change your birthday. After you're done tapping on your descriptions or explaining your description, go ahead and tap on submit. So you cannot leave this. Please confirm that you have attached the required materials. So make sure you leave the box checked. Now you can again scroll all the way down and click on submit. So our request has been successfully submitted. Now the Discord account will review our request and change our birth date accordingly. So this is how we change our birth date. We cannot change our birth date directly from our account because we have to visit its website first, so it's a little bit tough job. So I hope it helps you. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.